Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, tap on the devices icon and here you should see the list of devices connected to your account, and on it you should see your Honor Watch GS Pro. Tap on the Honor Watch GS Pro to open the device page for it. On this page find the More Options icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu, then tap on Unpair Device and tap on Unpair. Now you can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. You should see Honor Watch GS Pro on the list of my devices. Actually, you should see both of them or two of them. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on forget device, then tap on the info icon next to the second one. Tap on forget this device and forget this device. Then you can close the Bluetooth settings, go back to the app, select this, tap on OK, and the watch will disappear from the list of devices. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.